that it is a real-life working firehouse. So if the doors do open up, let's make sure to give these folks a little bit of room to do their work. Hook and Ladder 8 has actually been a firehouse throughout the entire time that it was featured on Ghostbusters. It's been in all of the Ghostbusters films, the original as well as the sequel, and the reboot from a couple of years back as well. And its usage throughout these films actually kind of charts the history of the surrounding area. So in the first Ghostbusters film, one of the characters makes a joke referring to this area as a demilitarized zone. That was pretty accurate with the feel of the location at the time. So back when they were shooting the first Ghostbusters movie, this area had been a huge area for warehouses. A lot of production facilities were located around here. All of that started to close down in the early 1980s, however, leaving this area a little bit abandoned by the time they were filming Ghostbusters, hence the joke in the original. Now, things have changed around quite a bit, and for good reason. So in Manhattan, of course, we're a very built-up city. We don't have a lot of room to spread out, which means that most Manhattan apartments are traditionally quite small. However, this area, since many of the buildings surrounding us used to be warehouse spaces, actually allowed for some of the largest open available real estate to be converted into some of the larger and thereby more expensive apartments. So even though they may not look like much, many of the buildings surrounding us are actually some of the more highly priced buildings in the city. Tribeca, the area that we're in, actually overtook the traditionally expensive Upper East Side and became the most expensive area on average in Manhattan this past year. What this means is this area that we're standing in right now is sometimes known as Billionaire Mile. We can actually see a couple of big name celebrity apartments just around the corner from us. For example, if we take a look just across the street, it's not that red brick building on the corner, but the taller one just behind it. That entire top floor was at one point owned by JFK Jr. and his wife Carolyn Burset. They were some of the first big name individuals to start to transform the demographics of the area. Just across the street from that, this off-white building with a green awning out front, currently owned Arthur Stewart's daughter, as well as actor and comedian Billy Crystal. Now you'll have to take my word for this one just a little bit because we can't see it from exactly where we're standing, but only a block down that way and a little bit over to the left, there is an apartment which is currently owned by Taylor Swift, which she bought off of Lord of the Rings director Peter Jackson. So we do have some very big names who live around the area. Excuse me. All this to say, hence the joke in the most recent Ghostbusters, the reboot from a couple of years back, where they come here to Hook and Ladder 8 and try and rent out the building as their headquarters. However, they can no longer afford it, which is why they end up in that little shack above the Chinese restaurant instead. So, folks, I'm happy to help out with any photos that you're looking for. Just give me a shout if that's something that you'd like. But whenever you folks feel like you're all set, you can make your way back on over to the